Okay, so hi dear Libra, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and today we are going to do the reading for no contact, no communication. From today till the 17th of November. The rules can be reversed also, the action can be from your side also, and if it is not resonating, it's not your story. Now, if you want to be a tarot card reader like me, you can start by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box. I have a website coming soon. You will get every link there. And for one-on-one healing sessions, for personal readings, you can check out my description box for the timing and mail me for the same. So let's start. Okay, let's start, honey. What we have for Libra people, for those who are in no contact, no communication, that person's current feelings for you right now at this present moment. Libra, what we have, darling? The Judgment, the Hierophant, and the Strength card. It's like someone is feeling quite sorry for whatever happened between you guys. This person is either feeling like they should forgive you for whatever happened if you are the one who messed up, and or they should ask for forgiveness from your side, and they should move on. They should move towards more towards spirituality, more towards their own personal growth and expansion, and they feel like they should hold back the urge to do so on a physical level, but on an emotional level, you can say on a spiritual level, this person definitely feels like they should ask for forgiveness from your side, and or they should forgive you for whatever happened, because whatever happened you guys can't change it, right? But you guys can grow from it. You guys can get the lesson out of it, the blessings out of it, and you guys, as a person, as an energy, you guys should grow. Okay, so their feelings towards you right now is of forgiveness and asking for forgiveness and moving ahead, and getting the spiritual lessons and all the blessings that you guys got from this situation, and growing growing or as a spiritual person. Oh my god, as a spiritual energy. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? Ace of Cups, Ten of Wands, the Hanged Man in reverse. See, this person wants to open up to you. They want to take certain kind of action, but because of the emotional overwhelmed kind of energies that they feel for the situation, from time to time they just don't want to mess this up more. It's like they definitely want to take certain kind of action in this direction with all of their heart and soul, to resolve the conflict, to resolve the issues, and to let go of all the stressful energies that still exist in this connection. But at the same time, they don't want to mess the situation more by doing something in overly emotional kind of a state of energy. So they just want to do the right thing, they just do want to take the right action in this direction, when they are going to be emotionally balanced, when they are going to be emotional in this energy of, okay, now I can do something about it, now I'm at peace. Okay, let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the 17th of November, Libra. We have the Devil, the Three of Wands, the Nine of Wands. This person is trying. I don't see any action from this person's side. If you want to run away, Libra, you can. But if you want to listen to the explanation here, the explanation here is that they are dealing with something toxic or someone toxic, along with this energy of waiting for this situation to work out between you and them. Work out in the sense of maybe just a friendship kind of a deal only. So until unless they are going to, they will be able to let go of the unhealthy attachment or unhealthy pattern or unhealthy connection that they're already in, they will not be able to connect with you on that level the way they want to. That is why this person is not taking a kind of any kind of action. So they're giving me a proper response, proper not excuse, proper reason of not connecting with you as of now. Maybe they're already married, already committed, and or they already have a relationship with somebody else, and that's too toxic, too much connected, too much in this energy of not able to live without them, not able to live with them, and they're just trying to resolve that issue before. Now it could be a relationship that they are in, and or there is a toxic trait, unhealthy pattern that they're working on, and they're just trying their best to just not to get this whole situation with you more messed up. That is why just they're just waiting for the right time. Guidance for you, Seven of Wands. Yeah, take a stand for yourself, Libra. You know what is best for you, you know what is right for you. Create strong boundaries and stick to those boundaries. That is very, very important for you guys, Libra, in order to get the kind of person, kind of energy that you deserve in your love and relationship area. If you yourself is not going to create boundaries, or have enough self respect to let go of people or situation or things that are not good for you, then who is going to do that for you? Nobody is going to respect you enough to, you know, take a stand for yourself. Anyway, so thank you so much for tuning in, Libra. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.